Okay, so we're going to have a look at what on earth is passive income and how it can actually help you. Hi, my name is Karen. I used to be a learning and development consultant working on cruise ships. I had the best life. I was sailing around the world for over 6 years and delivering all my leadership courses to the captains and the senior officers. And then, of course, when COVID struck, the cruise ship industry has come to a grinding halt. So I cannot, I just simply cannot get work. So I'm moving my business online. And part of this journey is I felt I'd document it along the way, and hopefully it could help you generate some form of income for yourself if you perhaps in the same situation as me, and finding a source of income very hard to get. So enjoy this segment on passive income. If you have a look at bankrate.com, they have a very, very good explanation of what passive income is. But basically, passive income is income that's coming from an alternative source. They use an example here of rental property. What I'm going to go through with you is the 11 passive ideas, because there's so many ways that you can build your own wealth, which doesn't include you having to go and do a 9 to 5 job. So we're going to look at what are these different concepts. Now, the first one that they're recommending here is selling information products. And a lot of people do that. You can sell it as an ebook, an audio video course, and Udemy is one of the most popular. So if that's something you'll be interested in looking at doing, definitely go and have a look at Udemy. Now, as I say, the opportunity here is information products can deliver an excellent income stream because you make money quite easily. But it takes a massive amount of effort to create the product. And that there is what we're talking about. Because remember, my focus here is all about affiliate marketing. So I'm looking at trying to create passive income simply without a huge amount of outlay costs. So yet you could definitely be looking at creating your own products, and you might already have your own products. So that might be a way of creating yourself a passive income. Another one that's very popular is amongst people who own property and they can get rental income, which is fantastic if at this point in time you do have property. Therefore, of course, you can then afford to enjoy your passive income. But what if you don't have property that you can rent out? So that may not be a passive income strategy for you. Now, affiliate marketing, this is the one that I'm very much involved in. So affiliate marketing is where you promote someone else's product. Now, like I've mentioned in my previous videos, Target, eBay, Amazon, just about every single company in this world, if you go down to the bottom of their website, it will say affiliates. And when you click on that, you get yourself a link, and then you go and promote their product. And a lot of people have done that using Amazon products and eBay products. But often the commission is quite small. So when you're looking at affiliate marketing, you're looking at finding products that have, they call them high ticket products, where you earn a fair amount of commission. So you don't want to put in, say, 2 hours of work into selling a kettle and earn only, say, $2. Whereas if that 2 hours of work you put into a high ticket item, and for 2 hours, same amount of effort, you perhaps get 500 or $1,000 in commission. So that's what I'm very interested in. We're going to do a lot more about affiliate marketing, but that might not be you. So let's have a look at passive income ideas, other ideas that they suggest about Bankrate. Well, you can invest in high yield CDs. All right, so CDs is when you're going to be doing a certificate of deposits at an online bank, and that's going to help you generate some form of income. If you're into that kind of thing, you might want to look into that. Now, peer-to-peer lending is personal loan between you and a borrower. Opportunity as a lender, you can earn some really good income via the interest payments, but there are quite a number of risks involved as well. Now, you might have already got some stocks and you're getting your dividends out of the stocks. Uh, you know, before the COVID struck, I was doing fairly well with my stocks. When the COVID hit, my share value has plummeted, and so I can't enjoy any form of passive income through my stocks at this point in time. So you might be in the same situation there as well. Savings accounts, well, as you know, savings accounts don't offer much in the form of income. You might be fortunate to get a high savings interest rate, but I know here in Australia our interest rate is 1% or something, so very limited passive income. REITs, that's a real estate investment trust. That might be something you might be interested in doing. But again, that kind of passive income concept means you have to have a significant amount of income of cash on hand or money available in order to start creating this passive income opportunity. Bond ladder, don't know much about that, but that's what they're recommending as well. This is a great one. Renting out a room in your house. Yes, that's passive income. So for me, if you had a spare room and you desperately need to make some money, this would be a fantastic opportunity for you. Even advertising on your car. I think there's just such a great opportunity there. How many streams of income should you have? Multiple, absolutely multiple. Because if one stream doesn't work too well, maybe your car breaks down or the kids come home, you can't rent out the room, you need to have multiple streams of income. All right, so now you understand a little bit about the passive income. So rent out a room in your house, rent out signage on your car. Or if you want to follow me on this journey and have a look at affiliate marketing, how you can get yourself a passive income through the selling other people's products online. The training company that I'm using is absolutely phenomenal. They have a 15-day challenge that you simply just follow the steps, and they help you to create sales funnels straight away so that you can start earning immediately. It's a fabulous way of building your experience and knowledge and skills for online marketing, but earning money along the way. So I have a link down in my description area, so pop along there and have a look. Please like and share this video. This will really help me as well to build my own business online. And any questions you have or any comments, don't hesitate to just reach out to me. I'm more than happy to support you along your own journey. Have a wonderful day.